Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about WP Enqueue scripts. So this is basically used for including CSS and JavaScript files. So I'm opening this link. So you may have a template that you want to convert into WordPress theme, and there you will have tons of CSS files and JavaScript files that you will need to include in your directory. So then you need to use WP Enqueue scripts. So how to use it? Let's see here. So this is an example. So first you need to write add action, then WP Enqueue scripts. So this has to be like this. You can't change this one, but this is a random name that you can just give whatever you like. Then this is the function we will call here. So function add theme scripts, and here we will call all the files that we need to include. So for style.css or any style sheet we will use WP Enqueue style, and for JS file we will use WP Enqueue script, and everything will be under WP Enqueue scripts. So this is how you can do it, and you can see default scripts included and registered by WordPress as well, so you can check this out. So I'll be using the same formula when we will do some basic bootstrap in my next video. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.